Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and I will show you the location of the spare tire and a spare tire toolkit. This video should apply to first generation of Volkswagen Tiguans made from 2007 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first you want to open the lift gate, and the spare tire will be located just under these floor covers. You just have to lift it up by pulling it up. And here is the spare tire, right? Now to release and remove the spare tire, you just want to turn this like a screw all the way to the left, like remove it, and then the spare tire will be completely loose, right? So this is what you have to remove, and now just lift out the spare tire. Okay, now the spare tire toolkit, so the jack and all of the tools will be just in the left side, the quarter panel behind these covers. You want to turn this to unlock position and open it, and here you will find jack and all of the tools, right? So everything should be here. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.